Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. This oil is the most proficient oil I have ever used for bath spot and my edges. It's a combination of avocado and rosemary oil. Watch the end of this video to see how it's made, and I promise you will not regret it. So this is the procedure of making this amazing oil. Okay, first you need your avocado. Okay, I used a very big avocado and it was super ripe, so it was easy for me to get out all the fruit from it. Okay, actually this video is self-explanatory, but I'll give some point, or I'll give out some clues on what is going on. Okay, so first you need to scoop out your avocado and mash it. This time around I didn't use a blender because it's super duper ripe. I didn't need a blender, so I just scoop it out and then I added whatever I wanted to add on it. Okay, if you want to know most of the amazing benefits of avocado oil, please click on the link on my description. I already made a video about how to make avocado oil and the health benefit of avocado oil. Okay, so the next thing to do is to add it to your pot or your frying pan, and then you add your rosemary. Okay, add the oil, the carrier oil of your choice. You can either use olive oil, you can either use coconut oil, but I used olive oil, okay, as my carrier oil here. Olive oil, and then I added the rosemary. I needed actually 3 spoons of rosemary for this recipe. After your ingredients is set, the next thing is to put it on fire. Put it on a low heat and then let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Okay, you could see the color changing, and once it's 8 to 10 minutes, you bring it down and it is time to strain out the oil. This oil is very proficient, guys, very proficient. I used it every single day for 1 week on the area of my hair that had a bar spot, and especially my edges. Okay, and I can tell you that in a week time there was a huge difference. My hair was growing like never before. It's a must try, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Please fam, please and please do not forget to hit the like button if you like what you see, and also the subscribe button. And for my return viewers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all the support you've shown me so far. I wouldn't have done anything. I wouldn't have been able to shoot these videos without your support. Please and please like, share, comment, and I will see you in the next video.